If you use a shower head at an angle on that area, like on pulsate, it'll feel very, very good. For female, there's the clitoral roll. For the female, the clitoris is the most sensitive part. So it's like the frenulum for the male. Place your thumb and forefinger on either side of your clitoris and gently roll between your fingers. So just this motion here, very gently. Or you can do 2 fingers on either side and then rub in the circular motion. Either way you like. The double stimulation, that's using stimulation on the clitoris, plus having a toy or another finger using internally. For a woman, big friend, shower head, woman's best friend. I tell you right now, if you do not have one, go to Walmart, invest in $12, get the detachable shower head on pulsate. Even if you live in an apartment, just unscrew the head and screw your own on. I guarantee you will thank me later. Baster, like the little basters you see to use for turkeys, take the bulb off and just use the bulb right on the clitoris, squeeze it right on the clitoris and squeeze and unsqueeze. You have a wonderful sucking sensation. A lot of women like the sucking sensation on the clitoris. You can find out if it's good for you and you can translate that to your partner better. Beads, Mardi Gras beads with just a little hard circular beads on it. Cut it in half, lube it up, and you can do one back, one forward. I trust you. It's very, very nice. It's like having a toy, and you can go as fast or slow as you want. Lots of lube. Okay, I saw you back there. It's lubed up. I promise you, will feel wonderful. Toys. You can use any toys you want. There's plenty of places you can buy them. I think the closest store we have in this area is like in the Carrollton area. But you can use hard vegetables too. Again, one-time use. It is okay to use a cucumber. It's the best way to size up what size toy you want. Say you want another toy. You think you want a large toy. Instead of throwing down the $50 to $75 to get a larger toy, go to your supermarket, browse over the vegetable aisle, find a cucumber you think you'd like, take it home, clean it, and use it. See if that's the size that you like. The benefit of having fruit is you can shape it however you like. So you can get that potato peeler, you can put spirals in it, you can shape it to little bumps in it, however you want. But again, one-time use and don't use it in your salad afterwards. Adult sexuality. I believe that sex is a beautiful thing between 2 people. Between 5, it's fantastic. Again, Woody Allen. Communication. Communication is of utmost importance in sexuality. You have to decide first if you're ready to have sex. So initiate the discussion. Talk before sexual activity begins. Don't wait until you're drunk and your shirt's pulled over your head and you're kissing. That's too late to do the talk. You need to stop, walk away, try again. Do it with your soul beforehand. Have plans. Use assertive communication. Assertive communication, many of the classes you take here is going to talk about assertive communication, especially if you take Content 10. Assertive communication is saying what you mean and meaning it and not backing down from it. Use proactive words like yes and no, not maybe or okay. Disclose personal information. Talk about STD and HIV statuses. If you haven't been tested, go get tested together. It'll make you a stronger relationship. And talk about pregnancy prevention. I'll use this as a time to talk about condoms and how to use them. The #1 use for pregnancy prevention on campuses, besides like the birth control pill, is condoms. So just a quick little demonstration on how to put on a condom. Condom here, don't break it with your teeth. Open it with your fingers. Preferably not with the piece of your hand. Wow. Find out which way the condom rolls first. So this would be the wrong way, flip it around. Pinch the tip to make sure there's no air in the tip. If you don't pinch the tip, it could potentially break once it fills up with semen. Put it on the penis. Keep the tip pinched and use your hand and slide it all the way down to the base. During sexual activity, check every once in a while, make sure it's still in place, that it's not broken or cut at all. Never ever use any type of oil-based lubricant. Only water and only silicone-based lubricants. Anything oil-based will break the condom. After you're done, as soon as you ejaculate, hold the base of the condom when you withdraw so the condom does not come off. And then simply take the condom off, wrap it up in a paper towel, and chuck it in the trash. Do not flush them. Your plumber will not like that. And then make a joint decision. If one of you wants to have sex and the other does not, the no outweighs the yes. If both of you decide no, it's not time, then fine. You can start this process over again a little bit later. And if the answer is yes, and you have all of these criteria met, then be responsible, have fun, go for it. This is the sexual excitement. This is physiologically speaking. It's a giant circle. For most men, it's not a circle, it's a line of stuff. For women, it's a giant circle. We have less multiple orgasms. Excitement phase. This is where you start out as. This is the physical arousal you get. Your body prepares for a coitus. Either you get an erection, you get a clitoral erection, you get more blood flowing, you get a little bit more sensitive. It takes 20 minutes for women. So guys who just want to jump, there's some guys in here. If guys just want to jump into it, it ain't going to happen. 20 minutes for a woman to get physically aroused. And then, of course, the instant. This next phase is the plateau phase. Sexual excitement prior to orgasm. This is actually the activity that's occurring before you have an orgasm. You increase your circulation, heart rate. Sexual pleasure increases when you feel like that you're getting close. Muscle tension increases, and respiration elevates. Then you go to the orgasmic phase, which is my favorite, which should be your favorite too. Quick cycles of muscle contractions, that's all it is. And it's associated with giant releases of endorphins in your system. Resolution phase allows the muscles to relax, because your body basically goes back to its state. For women, it takes 20 minutes to go back down. So with any time during that 20 minutes, if you want to, you can go back up to the excitement phase and you just keep going around and around and around the circle. Whereas guys have a period they have to wait before they can do this again. The younger you are, the shorter that is. The older you are, the longer you have to wait. Foreplay. Foreplay, quite important for women. Like I said, it takes that 20 minutes. Foreplay includes touching of the clitoris, penis, nipples, fingertips, palms, tips, tongues, hairs, soles, and feet. Those most people don't know. The most erogenous zone is the brain, especially when it goes for women. Everything starts in your head. Oral sex can be considered foreplay if that's not the end outcome. If the end outcome is to actually have sexual intercourse,